just from my perspective,
All right.
Rochelle. Recently I read this on, we're going to Sri Lanka shortly, so I was reading up on Arthur C. Clarke, on whom Shaw was interested in, and there was a sentence I thought was brilliant. It said, he did so many orbits of the sun. And it takes 1 year for an orbit. Rochelle has done 21 orbits of the sun. It's been such an eventful and enjoyable ride that we've had as parents. And Rochelle, like Oral said earlier, Rochelle had this thought in that we really didn't want her here. She was only an accidental baby. But 21 years later, we would like to think we have done lots of things right by you, that you are still here and we love you. So never think that you are an accidental baby. Things happen the way they do because they are meant to happen, and you are meant to be ours. So lovely to have you with us. A lot of you know that Rochelle is or was a tomboy, still is at times. Rochelle never had time to play with dolls or anything like that, which were too girly for her. Didn't want to play netball, she wanted to play basketball. So wherever we went, if you wanted to find Rochelle, you just look for bat and ball, and there Rochelle was with the bat and ball. So that's the way she has always been. Some of her achievements that I think of and which are memorable for me. In primary school she did a swim which was what, 3Ks? 4 kilometer swim. Up and down the lap. And I was there waiting for her to do the swim. And about 3/4 of the way through she was about to give up because it was such an ordeal. It cost me something to get her completed, and she did. Okay, what was the musical that we went to? Oliver. I was thinking, by the side of the pool, I was thinking, how do I get her to complete this? Because it's an achievement, no matter what. It is something that you start, you finish off. So I said to her over the step, I said, if you complete your 4 kilometer swim, we will take you to Oliver the musical. Sure enough, she completed it. Now she sets her mind, she does it. Sometimes you just give her a little nudge, but she does it. She's had few challenges in life. One good thing with Rochelle is that you only have to talk to her. She's a good listener, a good learner. Recently, when you're watching The Voice, I listened to the coaches, how they talk about their understudies. And Seal always says about his understudies, how good they are at listening. He says, you are a good listener, we can teach you, we can coach you. Rochelle is like that. She will have a little challenge in the life. She might come home a little bit shaken up. You only have to sit down with her just 2 minutes, just say a couple of things, something positive. Next day she's up and running. She just gets up and gets going, dusts herself up and going. So that's a very good attitude to have and very good attribute to have. I'm very proud of that. The other thing I enjoy the most is her singing. Nicole, you just listen to Nicole. The two of them, you must listen to the two of them do the duets. They are fantastic. Rochelle has yeah, watch them on YouTube. But Rochelle has an angelic voice. I'm not saying that because she's my daughter, but she does. And one of the most enjoyable things that I have enjoyed over the years is her litany of the saints at Easter time at the church. She does it and does it so beautifully. It's something that will always remain in me. I will always hold it in my heart because it's something so nice to listen to. And finally, going back her basketball days, we always watch movies where they tailor-make scenes and ending. A climax that is really rehearsed over and over. So if it's on a sports field, baseball, basketball, whatever, they will probably take it so many times to have a perfect ending. Rochelle had a game we were watching, and there were 10 seconds to go on the clock. The ball was at the opposition's end of the court. Rochelle grabbed the ball. Rochelle didn't know how much time was left. I was looking at the clock and there was 10 seconds. And I was in the grandstand, I was just clapping. All I could yell was, all the way, all the way, all the way. don't pass the ball, because if she passed the ball, clocks run out. And they had 2 points needed to win. 1 point to draw, 2 points to win. She runs the full length of the court, from the side, cuts in, bags the basketball. That was a perfect finish, and my hands were absolutely red from clapping. It is a wonderful, wonderful memory to have. So it's like that, so many memories that we can carry. And I also, so that's happy birthday. Very proud of you. And I also want to talk about Kishore for a couple of seconds, because last year I could not say much because there was his cousins did a good job, so I could not. But could not be prouder about him being our son too. He's got wonderful qualities inside. He's a very loving soul. He has a tough exterior when you look at him, but an extremely soft and loving soul. He just takes care of people so well. And I must acknowledge that. It's wonderful. And then finally, all the food that you're going to eat tonight, apart from the hoppers, were made by Oral. She doesn't get enough kudos for her culinary skills. And I want to publicly acknowledge that tonight, that everything that you're going to eat tonight, it was made by her. Some of these ideas are from her. Nicole singing is from her idea. Again, she put a lot into it, a lot of thought into this. So I'd like to acknowledge Oral for doing all of that too. And that's enough from me. Thank you for being here once again.
Yes, they are. They are.
Okay, this is going to happen.